be talking about similar polygons. So here we have three rectangles. We need to find out which two of the three are similar. To do that, you need to find the ratio, the enlargement factor, between the two similar rectangles. And it has to be the same factor between similar sides. So let's check out the larger one and the middle one first. So you need to find out how many times bigger this one is compared to that one. So let's take a look at these two sides first. So to find out, you need to do a ratio. A ratio is a division. So how many times this side is bigger than that side? So you do 4 divided by 3. So this side here compared to that side is 1 and 0.3 repeated. And then it has to be the same ratio between this side and that side. So 10 divided by 9, 10 divided by 9 is 1 and 1 repeated. So it's not the same ratio, so these two are not similar to each other. Okay, so these two triangles are not similar to each other. So we know it's not those two. So it's either this one and this one, or this one and this one. Let's check this one and this one. So what's the ratio between 4 and 1? It's 4. And what's the ratio between 10 and 2.5? It's also 4. So it's the same ratio between similar sides. These two rectangles are similar. This one is 4 times bigger than that one. When you're talking bigger, we're talking side. The sides are 4 times longer, okay? So that's the ratio. So let's do another example here. So here we have two figures. They are similar to each other. So what we need to do is we need to find the length of GH. So this side here I'm looking for, and NP. NP, so this one here. To do that, we need to find our ratio. And to find the ratio is you need to do the division between similar sides. So how many times bigger is this one compared to that one? So the only two sides that we have that are similar is AB and IJ. So you're going to do 8 and 1/10 divided by 5 and 4/10. You can see that it goes exactly once, and there's a remainder of 2.9, 2 and 9/10. So the ratio is exactly 1 and 1/2. Meaning that this one here is 1.5 times bigger. So that means that if this is 27, then y would be 27 multiplied by 1.5. So that means that y would be 27 plus half of 27. Half of 27 is 13.5. So it would be 40.5 meters. This side here, this is 1.5 times smaller. So x would be 32 and 4/10 divided by 1.5. Or basically, it would be 2/3 of the sides. Yeah, 2/3 of the sides. So 32 and 4/10.
Could the following teachers please come to the office? Madame Davidson, Mr. Chassé, Ms. Coughlin, Madame Alain. Please come to the office. Thank you.
So this here, you could do this. This is 2/3, 3/2. So you could actually use this using fractions. So I would probably change this into 324 tenths divided by 15 tenths. And then I would do 324 divided by 15. That would be your answer. And 15 goes in to 324. You can figure out how many times it goes in. So just 150 is 10 times. 300 is 20 times. So it goes in 21 times. and then there's a remainder of, so 15, 9/15, and so that's 21 and 3/5, which is 21 and 6/10.
Mrs. Sutton, please come to the office.
Here's your practice. Make sure you check your work behind the book.